Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to see blocked people on Instagram. It's really easy to do. You're just going to head over to your Instagram application and open that up. Once you're on Instagram, you want to go to your profile and then to the top right corner where you see the three lines. Click on that, and then click on settings. Once you're in your settings here, you want to go over to your privacy settings. That's where you'll be able to access your blocked accounts. And then under connections, you'll see blocked accounts right here. So if you just go ahead and click on that, this will show you all the accounts that you've blocked on your account. Obviously, to unblock them, you just click on unblock, and then they'll be fully accessible to your account to see your page and everything like that. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys where to unblock accounts and where to see what accounts you have blocked on your Instagram. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.